Hello, how you doing? Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. Had lots of emails about avocado toast. So today I'm going to show you how to make 4 types. Of course, there are thousands of ways of making this. Let's get started. Okay, so the amounts don't really matter. You can really play around with this. Feta cheese, some bell peppers I've got there, avocado of course, fresh basil, a little bit of oil, a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of salt and pepper.
Little mix.
Okay, some toasted bread. There's our mixture. Simply get it on. Okay, for this one, obviously avocado. I've got some chopped black olives, a little bit of green onion there. You could use regular onion, but green onions or spring onions are slightly less harsh. Some tomato, parsley, lemon and oil, and again salt and pepper. Once again, some toasted bread. I mean, again, you can use any bread that you want. We're just going to get that on there. Spread that out and we're done. We can move on to one more. Okay, so for this one, obviously avocado, a little bit of chopped mint. I like fresh mint in this, and I like some strong red onion. I know the one previously I put a mild onion in, the green onions, but with the tuna, which we have here, I like that. A little bit of chili, again, a little bit of oil, a little bit of lemon juice, salt, pepper. Let's do it. And once again, some toasted bread. Get your mixture on. As thick or as thin as you like. Play around with the amounts. And that's wonderful. Okay, and I'll do one more for you now. You get the idea. You can mix and blend it how you like. Avocado, onion, tomato, hard-boiled egg, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, fresh basil, a little bit of lemon, a little bit of oil, a little bit salt, pepper. Let's go. And as before, get your toast, on goes your mixture, and we're done. Really beautiful. Okay, and there you go. Now you know how to do this. You can open a shop and sell one slice for $100 to crazy people. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.